Today we're going to do one last silk press before I switch up my hair videos because I have some extreme heat damage, y'all. I have not been taking care of my hair. I'm going to be honest with you. I've been straightening it on high heat like every single week. This is what my hair looked like before I started putting so much heat on it, and I just want those curls back because this is what it's looking like today. You can see where the curls are popping, and you can see those straight areas where the bond has just been broken and it's just damaged now. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and comb my hair out from the ends all the way up to the roots, and I'm going to get those roots combed out really well. I really wish I would have taken better care of my hair when it comes to the heat because my hair is on the finer side and it's extremely soft. I think I completely ruined the bonds at the ends of my hair, and my hair is also color treated, so that also does not help out my situation. This shampoo that I'm using is K18, and it is one of my favorite shampoos when it comes to cleansing my scalp if I've gone a long time without washing my hair or if I have too much buildup. This shampoo actually repairs your hair on a molecular level. I am not worried about getting a protein overload from this shampoo because this K18 is a peptide, it's not a protein. It is, however, recommended to use it for the first 6 washes after you've noticed any damage, and then after that you break it up. This Amika Hydro Rush shampoo is so amazing. It's super moisturizing. After I use the K18, I like to go in with this just to replenish the moisture and bring it back into my hair. And since my hair is in a vulnerable state right now, moisture is going to be really good for it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a mask to my hair. If you're looking for any mask, I recommend these two by Amika. The blue is the Hydro Rush mask, and then this orange one is the Soul Food mask. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna add silkiness back to your hair. It has vitamins in it, nutrients, and it's gonna condition the hair, make it really smooth and shiny, and it's just gonna help out with frizz and keep it moisturized for days. After bleaching and coloring my hair time after time recently, it's really important to get those nutrients back in my hair and add a lot of moisture back into it. So I highly recommend trying out the Amika line. They have been wonderful for me. This is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed the product out, and as you can see, there are those straight or wavy areas where the curl pattern is just not the same. That's heat damage, and of course it's from bleaching my hair and adding that color to it and just not taking good care of it, letting it get too dry. So listen, if you're someone who takes care of your own hair at home, I highly recommend going to your stylist. If you don't know what type of hair you have, if you don't know if you're high porosity, low porosity, medium, normal, whatever it is, go to your stylist and get some help, figure all that out and see what products they recommend, and then just do a follow-up with them so they can get your hair back to healthy. I'm using the Amika heat protectant on my hair. This is the Wizard heat protectant, and it is my favorite one because it does have some protein in it and it's silicone free. It's a heat protectant, it detangles your hair, it reduces frizz, and it's just amazing. So if you're looking for a really good one, I highly recommend it. Actually, I recommend their whole line. I just love Amika. I'm going in with a blow dryer now. I love this one by Revlon because it has the teeth on it. If you want to get a really good blow dry and get those roots, especially like if you're a beginner at doing your own hair and you don't really know how to handle a blow dryer, one with the teeth on it that's like a comb is going to be really easy to use. I start using it in my roots and I use it on a medium heat, and then I work my way down just so I don't get excess heat damage because I have enough as it is. So yeah, get the roots first really well. I'm doing that also because there's no heat damage on my roots and they take a lot longer to dry. Now, I don't want to put too much heat on my ends because they've gone through enough already. Another thing I like to do to make sure my hair is fully dry is I put it on the cold setting and I just go over my head one more time, and if I feel a spot that's really cold, I know that spot is probably wet, so I just go back over it and make sure it's really smooth and dry. I'm gonna spray some heat protectant on my hair one more time, not too much because I don't want to weigh it down. And then I'm gonna go in with my Care wax stick and put it on my edges because it just helps to get those flyaways. And whenever I straighten the front area of my hair, it helps it to look a lot more smooth and silky. If you're looking for a good flat iron, I recommend these two. I got this Infinity Pro from Target for $34.99, but now it's on sale for $25, and it gets your hair on straight, girl. So you gotta be careful with the temp because this could give you some heat damage. This is a Tymo Airflow 2-in-1 curling iron and flat iron. I love it so much because it has these little holes in it and the airflow comes out of there, and it's a cooling system. I have no burnt smell on my hair after I use this one, and it doesn't get my hair as bone straight as my Conair, but I'm okay with that because I think I'm actually preventing heat damage by using this one, just because, okay, it has ceramic plates of course, but that cooling system, girl, it like knocks the heat right off. Like you could just see it blowing away. And then my hair still smells so good, like my conditioner afterwards. So I really like this flat iron, and even if it's not as straight, I just want my hair to be healthier, you know, like I'm fine with a little bit of a puffy silk press. I left out a very important step. I usually use this cheese silk infusion on my hair whenever I'm doing a silk press, and I forgot to use it, but it makes a world of a difference. So if you don't have any, go get you some, or go get you something similar, bio silk, whatever you can find. I'm gonna try to add some personality to my hair today because I always do the same exact thing. So I'm gonna try to recreate a little bang. I'm gonna curl these going forward and under, and then I'm gonna put a roller in and just let it set for a while. I want to thank y'all for watching my videos and just showing me so much love and support. I really appreciate you all. Now going forward, I'm probably going to be doing a lot more of the clip-in review type videos, like affordable clip-ins, and I'm going to be doing some quick weaves, quite possibly a sew-in or two. I have to see how I feel about the sew-ins because I know that they can also, you know, cause a little bit more harm if you're not doing them the right way, and I'm not a professional, so yeah, that's gonna be it though. Thank you all again for watching. Bye.